Wow.
boss.
Tell me how you got into music, man. Did you grow up in a musical household?
My aunts, they sing in the church.
Okay.
They sing in the church. So music for me, I think, is an inborn concept. Like, I've been doing this since I was a baby.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did you sing in the church too?
No, I was shy.
You were shy.
Yeah, I just sing for my friends. But I'm a child star, you know.
Oh, I never heard that.
Yeah, I am. I started out very young.
Oh, really?
Yeah, man. I started out very young, man. Very, very young.
And what was that like?
It was great, you know. So I having your peers calling your name, you know,
Yeah.
running behind you and all these things.
So was that like just like local in your community, or? Okay, so you were like a community star. At how old?
Maybe 5.
Really?
Yeah. I started out singing on a sound system called the Ghetto Blaster when I was like 5 years old.
Oh, I didn't know you were that young.
Yeah. Yeah, and I started to do
5 years old.
5 years
That's
old.
incredible.
Yeah, 5 years old. I started out singing at 5 years old.
Oh, I love that. Okay, and so then what led you like later on to working with Barris?
That's later down. So I did a few stuff before that. Won a few competition.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm still like the champion. No one has beaten me since.
Oh, you got that beautiful voice. I'm not
Thank
surprised.
you, boss. Thank you, boss. No one has beaten me from that time. From I was maybe 11.
Yeah.
I won that championship, and from then I never looked back. So, from I was young, I inspired other youth. So, I usually living with my mom. My mom says, "Boy, I can't manage this youth." So she sends me to my grandmother.
Okay.
So when I went to live with my grandmother now, and I was telling my uncle that, yo, I can sing. He said, what? He said, sing, let me hear. And then, little did you know it now, you have like 5, 6, 7 more youth in the community start singing.
Right.
And then they feel like they get so good now, they want to compete with me.
You created your own
Yeah,
competition.
I'm the one who teach them. So
Yeah.
they want to compete with the teachers, so I have to whip them.
So you taught yourself how to sing?
Yes, I know that this is a gift from the Almighty. But what I'm gonna say here now, I don't usually say it. My grandma on my mom's side, she's Ellis. So Nature Ellis is my cousin.
Okay.
So I'm thinking now where this thing is coming from, and Nature Ellis is telling me that Alton Ellis is our cousin.
Really?
Yeah, but I didn't know this. Is Nature Ellis telling me this?
Okay.
So Nature Ellis is my real cousin.
Okay.
Yeah, man. So Nature Ellis, big up yourself.
Yeah.
Yeah, Nature Ellis is my real cousin.
Oh, fantastic.
This thing I set that way, let me see. I can't set it that way. Yeah, man. So we're there. Yeah, man.
So then back to what led you to working with Barris? Like, how did that happen? That had to be like pretty big for your career, right?
That's the biggest thing.
Right.
So while living in Central Village, a guy was building a house there, so he came around my side. You know, where I live in Central Village called Zambia. So he came around Zambia to get some stuff from my bona fide brethren now, which is the Ghetto Matalan, we call him Gilby Matalan. And so Gilby Matalan was telling him that, yo, we have a singer here, and he's very good, and we don't want him to get caught up in crime and violence. We don't want him to get caught up in crime and violence. And so he said, you know what? I want you to introduce him to Barris, because maybe they were having conversation that this man was the mechanic for Mr. Barris Hammond.
Okay.
And he's from Chinatown in our community. Because Central Village is very big, you know. You have different spots, different areas there. So he's from Chinatown, Gaza. May his soul rest in peace, you know. So this is reality. And so he said to me, hey, one of these days I'm going to take you to meet Barris. I never saw him back. 4 months. Then I saw him one at a time, and He never said nothing to me. I don't say nothing to him until one day he came by and said, yo, it's time. I said, what?
Yeah.
So I was just doing some hustling at the time. You know what I mean? In Jamaica, when there's certain construction going on, the youth them in the community like us, yeah, would I get that job to do?
Right. Pick up jobs at the site.
Yeah, you know where I go on. You know where I go on.
Yeah.
So yes, so that's the thing. Pick up job at the site.
Okay.
So we are the one who get that to do.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
And so I was doing that when he came and said, yo. So I just jump off the ladder and I say, yo.
I'm out of this job.
I'm out of this job. So we were doing it for $500 a day at the time. So I said, yo, yeah, mate. Make sure when I come back, I get my 500 in it. I did get my 500 when I came back, but I didn't finish the work. But I said, go to Garrison run. And we run them thing there. Yes, hour ground. See? And when I went up there now for the first time, that was 1999, you know.
Okay.
And I saw Mr. Berry
You're like 20?
Yeah, 19. And I saw Mr. Berry Salmon at the time. And he said, blessings, every man said blessings. And then his fiancé came out and said, what you guys need to drink? Because I remember this like yesterday, vividly.
I can tell.
Yes, so he said, what you guys need to drink? And I said, can I have a ginger beer? That's how I got that name.
That's how you got the name?
So when it came time for me to sing now, like for Berry Salmon to hear me, he said, yo, come down ginger beer. That's how I got that name.
So your name is really Ginger Beer.
Yeah, and then now when my first song was mixing, Soul J is a great engineer, may his soul rest in peace. He said, yo, Ginger, a Rasta thing, you know, we're gonna slew the beer with a spear. And so we just leave the ginger.
Yeah. Oh, I love that.
Yeah, we just leave the ginger, man. Yo, TikTok.
That's cool.
Yeah, we leave the ginger.
So besides Barris, like, who are your biggest musical influences?
Garnet Silk.
Uh-huh.
Because when I was very young, like maybe 8 years old, my cousin flew down from Canada and he was playing this cassette tape at the time. And I heard, belly full but them starving, have a lot and still wanting. Jah without you we empty, fill us up with your mercy, never leave us alone. Can you see the road is dark? Can't make it on my own. Oh, belly full but I'm starving. So I said, who is that? I never knew.
Right.
He said, Garnet Silk. Because as a young youth, you know, as a baby, goosebumps came all over me when I heard that voice.
Yeah.
Because I like certain type of voice. I'm always in tune. So from I was young, I love the positive side of stuff. Like, I just born to be positive. I never born to be negative.
Right.
No. I can be.
Sure, we all can.
All right. I can be.
It's a choice, right? Really. That's amazing. So I was replaying, so I got a video of you singing Kingly Character the other night.
Yeah.
At Nectar.
Yeah.
And then I watched that, and then I played Garnet's version. Man, it's close. Man, you do a great job singing that song.
Thank you, boss.
Yeah.
Thank you, boss. Thank you,
And
boss.
so, like, right now in reggae music, you kind of, to me, it feels like you occupy, like, a kind of a unique space, right? Like, there's not a lot of that more soulful, it's almost like modern lovers rock in a way, kind of, I don't know, but, like, how would you describe your style?
It's the reggae soul style. So I came with that. I've always have it in me, you know, but I decided in the pandemic that I want to just do something different because it takes time to really own your craft like that. Because remember, I came with like, give them another high pitch. And you don't know that influence a lot of singers in Jamaica today. They like that thing. So I decided that I have to forward now and do something different. So I take it down a notch and start to sing like, whenever you find someone who really loves you, baby, don't let go. it's not, so I just use that sometime to color what I'm doing. So that's why it came out like that. And then, while I was around Mr. Barry Salmon now, he said, yo, I want you to listen to these guys. So I started to listen to Otis Redding. I started to listen to Sam Cooke. I started to listen to Lionel Richie, those type of guys. I started to listen to like David Ruffin and those people. Those are the soul of this thing here. And Stevie Wonder, Danny Hathaway. Those are some great singers. Like I'm saying, these guys. Yeah. So, you know, so you see where that is coming from, that style. So I kind of mix that 60s style. That's how it sounds like that.
Yeah, it's a little bit of a throwback.
Yeah, it's
your style. It brings the ladies to the show.
Yeah, I think Ginjah bring the ladies to the show. Hi, my ladies.
That the other night.
What? They love me like that. They can't get enough of my vibe. So that is where I kind of, you know, fuse the 60s with what's happening now, because I think the real part of the music, like people that are so talented, they are from the 60s. The great singers of this time and any time, I think they are from the 60s. The Patti LaBelle, the Aretha Franklin.
Yeah.
Yo, those people.
I think a lot of the great singers now, a lot of them are doing what those people did.
Yeah, you have to do that. You have to do that. If you want to be successful and stay long in the industry, you have to do that. So that's where that blend come from that you're hearing, that soul thing. I listen to a lot of Otis Redding. I say, what when I hear these arms are mine, they are yearning. I say, okay, try to work on that.
Yeah.
I was born by the river. Sam Cooke, I try to work on those things and try to nail it down, because, as I said, Father Barris introduced me to these people. Yeah. When we listen to like, music is made for, I put it together. So me I say, Smokey. So, you know, and then we have like the Altanellis and those people, Toots and the Maytals. You see where that blend come from? Toots and the Maytals. But my style is a style that it mixed with Barry Salmon and Garnet Silk. So if I'm thinking about doing like a spiritual love song, which is culture, I'm gonna tap into that Garnet Silk energy. And like I'm singing the love songs, like I'm gonna tap into that Barry Salmon energy with the Ginjah thing.
Right.
So it's three style in one. Yeah. 3 in 1.
So where do you find the most success? Like what part of the world like gravitates to you the hardest?
Africa.
Africa. That makes sense.
Yeah.
That's what I saw the other night. Like you brought a lot of Africans.
Yeah, a lot of Africans came out.
Yeah.
Because I have big hit songs in Africa. Big.
Yeah. That's where you're the biggest for you.
Yeah, I think so. I know that.
That makes sense.
Yeah, I know that.
That makes sense.
Yeah, I know that. Africa.
Cool. What is your creative process like? How does a Ginjah song come to fruition?
Sometimes it just come out of thin air. Like I would just sit in here and something just popped up. It just fall with the melody and with the words. Yeah, I don't have the melody before and I don't have the words before. Sometimes it came, boom, with the melody and the words. I just sing it. And sometimes it's something that's happening in my life. Like, yo, I have to sing about this, you know.
Right.
You know, it's either people are fight you down, you can sing about that. I have people showing you love, you can sing about that. And then real life experience, that is why my songs are like that. Because my songs, as you notice, everyone, whether you're black, white, Indian, it doesn't matter. My music is for you. Hear the songs I sing?
Right.
Me only need one chance. Me only need one. Everybody need a chance in life. Yeah?
Yeah,
I
I agree. Yeah, it's universal.
Yes.
Right?
So,
it's
yes,
not just
right.
speaking
Thank you.
to. I mean, because that is a thing, right?
Thank
like
you.
a lot of reggae music, even though like fans come from all different places on earth, walks of life, like it's not always for me.
Yes.
Right? Like, it's not my struggle, or it's not, you know what I mean?
So when you hear Ginjah now, you say, oh, Ginjah sings for everyone, because remember, when you listen to those type of music, it's for everybody. In rough times, tough times, only music can clear your mind. People want to hear that.
Right.
Never lost my way, never reach at the crossroad and turn for. Never lost my way, you deserve everything. Wedding dress, diamond ring, so let me propose.
Right.
Everybody want to hear that.
Yeah.
Every lady, yeah, woman want to hear that.
Oh, absolutely.
Sip.
So then what happens? So you come up with that, and then do you get with, like, do you have a band that you work with? Do you
Not really.
you get with a producer and give them your ideas?
Because, no, what happened, producers would send me their rhythm.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, producers would send me their rhythm. And I just do what I have to do. It's simple, it's not easy.
Yeah. No, I know what you mean.
Yeah, man, it's simple.
I dabble on the side just for fun, and I get what you're saying. Yeah, I get what you're saying, where you just, like, you get a rhythm sent to you, and then you just adapt whatever you come up with to a particular rhythm that fits that song that you come up with.
So when I hear a rhythm, the rhythm sometimes tells you exactly what to sing on the rhythm.
Right.
That's how music, real musician like me, when I hear a rhythm, I know where to land on the rhythm. I can anticipate rhythm very well. That's my trait.
Nice.
I'm very skilled at that. If you listen to songs them that I do on rhythm, you can hear that, yo, Ginjah, captivate this rhythm. Yeah, I'm just, maybe I sing every line in the rhythm if I want. You see me? I stay in the pocket. I live in the rhythm. Yo, I'm on living rhythm, man. Take talk with you from out of you. Big up all of the youth, them want show love and someone not show. I just breeze talk, man. Yeah, when you hear people talk, I just breeze, man. Some of them are breeze, man. Don't listen to them. They show some love. Just show some love. Ginger tea in the morning. Where are you? Yo, people, where are you? I don't know me there. We do an interview with Sensi, right?
Sensimedia.
Wagwan. Skilly Peng. Big up yourself, man.
What are you listening to right now?
Right now? I'm listening to my song right now. It's called Propose. That's what I'm promoting. So I'm listening. You see, I tried it night before.
Yeah.
And I like the feel of it. And that's the first time I'm singing it. So I like the feel of it. I said, okay, this song gonna create a major impact in the world, not just in Jamaica or in our space. Because we have to think out of the box. A lot of us as singer-songwriter, we just think one way. We have to think out of the box. Yeah, man. So I'm listening to Propose right now. Nice. Ladies, I'm gonna propose.
Is there anybody that you really like to work with that you haven't had a chance to at this point?
Yes, always. Like, I haven't done anything with Itana. I love her voice.
Oh, that would be good.
Dwayne Stevenson is like a brother. He produced songs for me, but we haven't done a collab.
A few weeks ago. Yeah, you guys would be good together.
Yeah, that's my brother. And I was telling Terrellin the other day that we must sing over the kingly character. I think it would be nice if we could do a cover for that one. Yeah, because it seems he's inspired by Garnet. I'm also. So I'm saying, we need to do something on that. And then I like Alicia Keys, her voice.
Oh, yeah.
Fantasia. There are many voices I love.
Yeah. Well, there's so many to love, right?
Yeah. There's many voices I love.
Cool. So I saw you at Dub in the Creek a few weeks ago.
Yes. And you were there?
I was there.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was there. I saw you there. So are you a fan of sound system culture?
I love it, man. Because that is where I started out. That's why I can monitor what I'm doing.
Yeah.
And something about Dub Creek that, it's going to linger in my mind forever. As long as life lasts. So Johnny Osborne was there.
Yeah.
And then after I finished, remember Johnny Osborne came on. And he was saying reggae got soul. But he was talking about me. Because when he came off now, we got to Reason, and then we were on the same flights.
Oh, you were?
Yeah, going back to LA, and he was going to New York. And so we had a chance to reason. And what he told me will linger in my head for a lifetime. He said, yo, Ginjah, you're one of us. He said, yo, I am 78 years old. And he haven't heard anything so unique right now. I'm saying, yo, Johnny Osbourne saying this to me.
That's
this
pretty
man
major.
says he grew up with Bob Marley and all of them. But I have something very unique. That's what he said to me.
You do.
So when he were on the stage singing and he stopped and said, reggae got soul, he was talking about me. So I said, what? Big up Mr. Johnny Osbourne, you know.
Yeah, so
Big up Mr. Johnny Osbourne.
It feels like that, like sound system culture is finally starting to somewhat take hold here in the United States.
Yeah,
it feels
it's
like
getting
it's
big.
growing, right? And like, I'm really excited about that because it's such a powerful movement. Like, how do you think we can help grow that here in the U.S. other than like people, throwing more festivals?
Yeah, we need to invite more Jamaican sounds. Like,
yeah, that would be good.
we need to tour Ricky Chupa. Ricky Chupa is a legend from Jaro. And we need to tour like Panther. He's a legend from Black Cat. And Damien them from Bass Odyssey. And so we can have this mixture with the United States and those other sound system like the Jack Scorpio, the King Jammies, and these people that still working and playing songs in the space. Metro Media, legend like Oliver them and those people.
Yeah.
So you see, I know my thing.
Yeah, you do. For sure.
Yeah, man, I do my studies, I'm not one of them singers that don't know what's happening in the music industry.
Right.
Because me no dunce. I'm not a dunce.
All right, so what are you doing the rest of the summer?
I'm just promoting the proposal song, and then we have shows coming up because tonight I'll be doing a thing at Caribbean Taste, Red Lounge, and then that night when I finish the show, I got the next thing to do for the 16th of August. Same place here in Seattle, Washington, but I think it's maybe further. Because when I finish, someone says, no, we need to book him.
Oh, you're going to perform somewhere else here in Seattle?
Yes.
On August 16th?
Yeah, and then they want me, and then I have this, I'm the headliner for this festival in Maine.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's August the 2nd.
Is that like Green Lion Crew putting that on or something?
I don't know if it's them, but they are there.
They're part of it.
Yeah, they are part of it. I don't know if they're part of it. I don't want to say
Isn't that where they're from?
Yes,
right?
But maybe they're going to be there.
They must be there at least. But, okay, so...
I'm the headliner for that one.
Okay, and are you going to be with a band or on a sound
Yes,
system?
I'm going to be with a band.
I really like you with a band, man.
That's what I like.
You need
I need a
it's
good
such a better experience with a band.
Yeah, I love
not
it.
That you not to take anything away from you, but like
no, but you're talking the truth.
Your voice and your type of
it's
singing
for
with a band.
I don't like the tracks thing for real, so I think I'm gonna bring the Fire Marshal band for that one.
Oh,
so we're working out, certain things for them to come along.
Yeah.
It's gonna be great, I know that.
That's fantastic.
Yeah.
And then do you have any like an album in the works or?
I have albums in the works. Like the record company told me this year, please ease your foot off the gas because I'm pressing. And it's kind of sad that even our people in Jamaica, they don't know the work that I'm putting in. They don't know that every year I drop maybe 2 albums or 1. And like I dropped 5 albums from 2020. 3 of them going to the Grammy. 3 of them get Grammy consideration. So I'm doing work. I'm putting out major work.
Right.
3 albums, Grammy consideration, people. And I dropped 5 albums, 3 of them going to the Grammys. 3. So a lot of people don't know that Ginjah is doing a lot of work.
Right.
They don't know that.
All right, so when can we expect one of them to come out?
Next year, because I didn't drop any album this year. I dropped album 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024. But now I have this major Lovers Rock album for Tad's Record, and they said, please don't drop any more album this year. Just tell the producers to hold off, just put out singles. So I'm putting out a lot of singles. And I have some wicked singles to come out, because I even did a cover of I think Eric Clapton. No, Lionel Richie. I did one for Eric, and I did the Lionel Richie too also. So I did Stuck on You. That's what Eric, and then I did the Lionel Richie Wonderful Tonight for Flavor McGregor. So reggae style.
Yeah.
It's late in the evening. She's wondering what clothes to wear. She puts on her makeup and brushes her long hair. And then she asks me, do I look alright? And I say, yes, you look wonderful tonight. Eric Clapton.
Yeah, turn around on Eric Clapton.
Yeah.
Right? Who I Shot the Sheriff.
All right, you see? So I know that's going to be big.
That'll be good.
Yo, it's a major thing. It's reggae style.
That'll be good.
Yeah, because Flavor McGregor is one of my producers.
Okay.
He's the one that, produced the Never Lost My Way song, which is my signature song. So everybody would know me for that song. So we always work together, because I know this producer give me a big hit. So I can't forget that when I need it the most.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much, Ginjah.
Yeah, man, it's a pleasure,
much
man.
Pleasure to meet you.
May the Lord
Thank
God
you very
Almighty
much.
bless and keep you, man. Keep up the good work.
Likewise,
Thank
too.
you, man.
Thanks
See
for
you.
sitting down with us.
Every time, man. Looking forward. Every time I forward here,
Yes,
link
sir.
me, man. Make a update here on what's going on. Yo, bless them up, King.
Caine, Sensimedia.net.
Yeah,
Check
man,
us out.
check. Yes. Yeah, this is Ginjah, the reggae soul. Give thanks to life above all things. Bless the them with the psalms. No matter who them a fight, them can't fight me. I breeze, you see? When you don't see what I go on, and when I say, my people, soul nation, don't fight nobody. Don't fight nobody.